Hi everyone, I hope you're doing well today. You might notice that the camera quality is a little bit worse than before. I am on a different laptop. Normally I'm on my Mac laptop, but I'm on a different one just for this showcase. With that, I hope everyone is doing great today. If it's your first time here, welcome to the webinar. My name is Eugene and I am the marketing manager here at AKOOL. Thank you so much for joining. But if you come back every week or if you've been here before, thank you so much for coming back. We appreciate all of you so much for being here with us every week of this webinar. Let's see, MDCA, much awaited avatar webinar. If you have any questions or comments, please just comment in the chat, and I have my phone right next to me, and I'll try my best to keep myself updated with your question. Good morning, Mohammed. I'm doing good. Thank you so much for asking. Hi, Arshia. I hope you're doing good. Okay. So today's webinar is a very exciting one because we just released a beta version of AKOOL Camera, which allows you to join meetings as an avatar. So you'll be able to join a meeting as one of the studio avatars that we provide, or even just create your own custom one and then join the meeting as that. It's so exciting. It's such a cool feature. I tested it out a couple of times and I'm so mind blown by how amazing it actually looks. So I'm hoping that I can show you guys just how amazing it is. So this, because it's in beta and because we just released it, the installation process might be a little bit more difficult than just any other tool. It's not just a click and install. There's a few steps you have to go through. So that's what this webinar is going to be about. And in order for this to work, it only works on Windows at the moment. Unfortunately, Mac does not work, so you need a Windows computer. Let's see. Okay, so in order to do it, what you need to do is, if you are on the AKOOL homepage, so it's not on the workspace yet, or here, if you go to the homepage, or if you go to any page and you see the products, you'll see AKOOL Camera is listed here. You can also just type in AKOOL Camera, and it should show up right here, like this. So from here, AKOOL Camera, one tool, every meeting, you have 3 different buttons which I will go over. You're going to need every single one. And if after this webinar you get confused on any of the steps, if you scroll down, you'll see the installation process. There are 3 different steps, and each step has a video with it that explains how the installation process works. So you can look at the instructions later on if you get confused, but the first step is going to be download for Windows. So just click on this and you will start downloading, and you'll see that in downloads I downloaded, it looks like it's this one, AKOOL Camera V1. So the camera, because it's in beta, it's updating every single day. Sometimes with each update it might not work. I haven't tested it with this update yet, so just a fair warning, but it should work. But once you download it, just extract the folder, extract it. Oh, that's my fault. Thank you so much for letting me know. Thank you so much for telling me to share my screen. I hope you can see it now. Please let me know. But basically, all I was showing is just go to AKOOL Camera. You could type it in Google and AKOOL Camera will show up, or you can just go to products and AKOOL Camera will be right here. I hope my screen is sharing now. And these are the 3 buttons that you will need to utilize. But if you scroll down, these are the instructions. So step 1, step 2, and step 3, and videos with each instruction, basically just explaining how everything works. Okay, so click on download, and I downloaded the file AKOOL Camera V1, and I came here, downloaded it, extracted it, and after extracting, you'll see these folders. So there's a how-to video if you want to watch it. What you're going to do first is you'll see the AKOOL Camera app 1.1.4. Just double click it and start installing it. If you see this, just click on more info and run anyway. And then just give it a second. So go through the installation process. If you've already installed this and then it's not working and you reinstall it, in this part, there will be a second window that shows up that explains, oh, you already have it installed. It will be safer to uninstall it. Would you like to uninstall it? Just click yes. Just go through the process. I already uninstalled it, I believe, just so I can show you just a regular installation process. But if you see that window pop up, just uninstall it. It will do everything for you automatically. Yes. And installing AKOOL Camera. Yes. Okay, so that is it for the AKOOL Camera. So now when you join meetings, you will be able to join meetings as an avatar. The second step that we have to do, which is a little bit slightly more complicated, is the audio. So the reason we need to do this is the avatar needs to lip sync to your audio, so we need the audio. We need to install the audio processing application, which is this one right here, virtual audio cable. So this is the second thing you need to install. So just click yes, and then so it's going to be the same thing where just click yes, and in this step, if you've already installed it, it will ask you to uninstall because it will be safer. Just click yes, and it will uninstall it for you. I accept, and then don't change anything here, just click install. And just give it a few seconds. It's installing. And then this will just open the system audio. You can click yes if you want, but I don't need it open, so I'll click no. So after this is done, you have to go into Windows, go to settings, system, sound, and then just change the actually this is fine. So from here you'll see different lines. Just click on speak. You see Realtek R audio, click on that, and the same thing for input, Realtek R audio, click on that. So for me it's microphone array, Realtek, and then for output is speakers, Realtek. So just click on those. And then there's one step that I forgot to do, but we can just do it now, is go back into your folder, go to your user, and then go to program files. So it's this PC OS C drive, program files. This is where you installed your AKOOL Camera and your virtual audio cable. Click on virtual audio cable, scroll all the way down, and you'll see this application. If you click on that, this will show up. Before you open it, right click it, run as administrator. I promise we're almost done. This is the last step. After you open it as an admin, you have to do admin. If you do regular, then you won't be able to change the settings. You see this cable right here? Set it to 2. Set. Oh, I can't do it right now because of my stream. That's really unfortunate. I guess I'll just have to show you the video part of it, but I won't be able to show you the audio part of it. But after you do this, it should stay here, Realtek. I hope the stream is still catching my voice after I change the input and output. No, I'm not streaming straight from YouTube. I'm using a different application. Okay, but after this, that's all you have to do. So that's the last step that you have to do, just changing the cable number to 2. The reason you have to do that will be for Google Meet, or the actual application that you use for the streaming. So after all that is done, you're done. You're ready. So now go back to your AKOOL camera page, click on Open AKOOL Camera. And this will show up. So you'll see two tabs. We have Streaming Avatar, which is the application that we're showcasing right now. And we just released real-time translation. This is still under development, so you can test it out if you would like, but it's still work in progress. From here, just click on Avatar, and you'll see the many avatars that we provide. For example, you can choose her, and here's the avatar. Here's an avatar I made of myself, so you can even make custom avatars. For some reason, the moving will be really fast. It won't actually be this fast in the Meet, but let's do an example. I'm going to use this one, and then if I go into Google Meet, new meeting, start an instant meeting. If I'm going to mute myself, so new meeting. From here, the one thing, the two things you need to change is audio settings. Make sure input is line 1. Two things you need to change is audio settings. My mouse disappeared. Make sure this is fine. Input and then output should be line 2. But I don't have line 2 because I couldn't change the second the cable number. If you do that step, there'll be 2 lines. Output is line 2, input is line 1. If you do that step, there'll be 2 lines. But for now, I'll just leave it at line 2. And then this one, for the camera, change it from your webcam. And then this one, for the camera, change it from your webcam. Interesting. It seems to not be working right now. It may be. Oh, that's so unfortunate. I think this update it's not working well. Okay, let me do something really quick. I'm going to reinstall my older. Well, actually, let me try. Here, let's try this. I am going to turn off my camera in stream, and maybe that will help. Oh, there we go. It should work. There we go. There's my avatar. My charger fell off. Give me 1 second. I need to turn it back on, so I'll click on Start. And okay. Please let me know if you can see this. Okay. Please let me know if you can see this. Okay. And then if I turn on my microphone and I say something, you'll see on my microphone that the avatar will say what I'm saying to you. The avatar will say what I'm saying to you. Oh, is the screen just black? Oh, is the screen just black? Oh no. Oh no. Are you able to see the screen? Okay, I hope this is working. Are you able to see the screen? Okay, I hope this is working. Okay. Hello? So with this, because it is in beta, when you test this out in beta, there will be a 2-second delay just because the avatar needs to lip sync to your audio. Yeah, you don't need to be in meetings physically. And then if you want to switch the avatar, you can always just switch it. And then if you want to switch the avatar, you can always just switch it like so. I might need to stop it. There we go. And then start. And then it should. There we go. There's the avatar. And then it should. There we go. There's the avatar. I'm going to. Let's see. I'm going to test. Hopefully, I can show you on my phone what this looks like. Unfortunately, I couldn't get the audio line to work, so the audio might not be lined up the best. Okay, but let's see. I'm going to activate my camera. Give me 1 second. There we go. Camera. Give me 1 second. There we go. Okay. Is this is the avatar, and hopefully if I hello avatar and hopefully hello avatar and hopefully never mind. I think I need the second line jack. I think I need the hopefully you can see that you are able to join. Hopefully you can see that these meetings as an avatar. So it's such a cool feature. Meetings as an avatar. So you don't need to show up anymore. You can just have these avatars. And if you want these avatars to create your own, you can just do that too. So if you want to create your avatar, like I did right here, what you do is just click on new avatar, and then it will open up. I'm going to close this, and it will open up your. I'm going to close this as well. Your streaming avatar tool. So you can either click on new avatar or just from your AKOOL homepage, just go to streaming avatar, scroll down, click on avatar, and it looks like I tried to make one and it failed. Then just click on this, and you can make your own instant avatar. For me, it says contact sales just because it's my admin account, but for you, it should say just create your instant avatar, and there will be instructions for you to follow. When you go through the instructions, you will be able to create your avatar. And after a bit, you will see that your avatar will show up here. Mine is down here. You can see I made a lot, but you can see the one I showcased is right here. And once that is done, when you have to relaunch the application, so close it and relaunch it, and it will show up. One thing I want to add is, so right now it's in beta, so not everyone can use it. So you can download it and everything, and you will be able to see it visually, but the audio will not work. When you try to talk, it will say trial. If you want to be part of the beta program, you see this permanent license for VAC, click on that. And you can fill out this form, your name, last name, your AKOOL email, and company name, if you are in a company, and we will send out the test voice, the file. So this VAC thing that I downloaded, or I guess when you download this audio cable is beta. It's a free trial. This one is the full one. So if you need this file that you want, if you want to test it, please fill this out and you can be part of the beta program. You can also just let me know if you're interested. But that is the avatar. The AKOOL camera avatar is really, really exciting. The fact that you're able to join these meetings. And I understand that the installation process might be a little difficult at the moment, but it will only get easier as time goes on. If you are interested in the beta, please join. Let me grab the Google form. Okay, so here's the Google form. Just please. Oh wait, actually. Let me resend it. I think I sent. Okay, here is the Google form. Please let me know if you have any questions. Muhammad, I want to join, but I want to know again how to install it. Yeah. If you want to install it, this webinar will be posted on YouTube under the webinar playlist. You can watch that, or if you scroll down, I hope my screen is sharing. It is. If you scroll down, you'll see the installation process, step 1, and it goes through everything that I just explained. And here there are videos to help you go through it. And step 3. And if you download it, here, I'm going to close these. When you download it, there will be a video, how-to video, that explains how to download it as well. So you can watch through all of that. If you still have questions, just email me at eugene@akool.com or send me a message in Discord and I will try to help you out. But yeah, it's a little complicated at the moment. It will get easier. So if you have any questions, please let me know. Try it out, download here, open your camera here. And then if you want to be part of the beta testers, click on this and fill out the form. And you can let me know if you really want to be a part of it. And I could let my team know, hey, this person wants to be part of the beta testers. But that's it. So thank you so much for joining the webinar. Please fill out the Google form. I'm going to keep it open for a few minutes. And then I will close it. So after that, I will send you the 200 credits that as a thank you for joining the webinar. But thank you so much for joining. I hope you all had an amazing time learning about this tool. Please send me an email or let me know in Discord if you have any questions regarding this tool, the installation process, or anything else that we provide. With that, thank you so much, everyone. I hope you guys had an amazing time. Have a good morning, have a good afternoon, have a good evening, wherever you may be. I know some of you, it's really late into the night, so have a good night as well. Thank you, everyone.